The most incredible, the most powerful 3-day training conference in the entire automotive sales industry is coming to Nashville. That's right, the Internet Sales 20 Group 12 is coming to beautiful Nashville, Tennessee in March 2019. Folks, this will be the 12th year in a row that we've crushed it with the #1 most powerful, dealer-rated, successful training workshop ever, the Internet Sales 20 Group 12, also known as IS20G. Folks, we just came back from Miami. We had over 200 of the country's top dealerships. We had chief marketing officers, CEOs, dealer principal after dealer principal, GMs, internet directors, BDC directors, the Napleton Auto Group, 50 stores. The Cardinale Auto Group, 30 dealerships. We had the Atlantic Auto Group, 24 stores. Greenway Auto Group, 48 rooftops. The Nielsen Group, 6 rooftops. Fullerton, 7 rooftops. I mean, there was dealer group after dealer group. Then we had independent dealerships. We had buy here, pay here. We had dealerships that specialized in internet sales and BDC, in showroom sales. We had trainers like Jonathan Dawson and Shaka Dyson. We had not only internet BDC technology, we had F&I, we had fixed stops. It was all dealership operations. Well, Sean, why is it called the Internet Sales 20? Because, folks, the internet and phones are the new showroom. That's where all of the business and the profit and the opportunity lies. So if you want to sell more cars more often, more profitably, you need to mark your calendars for the Internet Sales 20 Group 12 in March in Nashville, Tennessee. As a matter of fact, I'm looking for speakers. So if you are a dealer principal, general manager, internet director, BDC director, and you want an opportunity to speak at the upcoming IS20G 12, reach out to me or go to the website and apply. If you want to turn around and be on a panel, and we only allow dealers on the panels. Now, as far as speakers go, for an actual session, you could be a dealer or you could be a vendor or trainer. It's not a problem. Now, again, we have a huge pouring in of people that want to be part of this, and there's only about 25 spots to be speaking or be on a panel. Now, in addition to looking for speakers and panelists, obviously we're looking for sponsors. I mean, this thing keeps getting bigger and bigger and bigger. So if you are a vendor or a subject matter expert, you have a product or service that you want to be able to showcase in the most incredible conference in the entire automotive industry, it's buzzing, the Internet Sales 20 Group, reach out to us. Also, I'm looking for ideas. If you have any ideas for curriculum, for strategies, whether they're for breakout sessions, they're for real live breathing white papers that are case studies, whether they're for topics, anything that you could think about, let us know, because we're trying to move the IS20G into a whole nother category. Folks, our curriculum, we have the best speakers, we have the best panelists. We invented something called the mastermind session, which is a little bit different on instructional design. I know the term mastermind is used, but we have a unique way that we use the mastermind session at our conference. We also invented the King of the Ring curriculum, which is amazing, huge. Then we have our Rockstar VIP networking event. We just did it on a 4-deck luxury private yacht that holds over 550 people for my 200 guests. It's awesome. In addition to that, there's a lot of interaction, there's a lot of back and forth, and then we have our roundtable rotations. So we have a lot of different components, and what's crazy is that there are no breakout sessions. And in addition to that, there is no exhibit hall. So we're looking for speakers, panelists, sponsors, and ideas for Nashville to make it even more incredible, which I don't know how we're gonna do, but again, want to see you in Nashville.